This video shows how to buy shares of Stolt-Nielsen Ltd, a global maritime shipping and tank storage company that trades on Euronext under the ticker SNI.OL. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SNI.OL to find Stolt-Nielsen Ltd. Confirm the search result shows the company name and the Euronext exchange. Open the asset page to review the company's summary, the price chart, and recent trading details to confirm it's the correct stock. Make sure the exchange listed is Euronext and the ticker reads SNI.OL. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and choose any order type. Then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to review the platform.